Guys, live batch of CCNP in Encore+Enarsi and Python automation is starting day after tomorrow. I'm getting lots of query on WhatsApp. That's why I decided to make this video to resolve basic query like time, duration and fee. So let's talk about CCNP in Encore+Enarsi first. So guys, if I will talk about the timing of this course, so timing of this course is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. So we will meet live for 3 hours, right? And on every weekend, on Saturday and Sunday. So we will meet live for 6 hours in a week, around 24 hours in a month. And we will cover CCNP in Encore+Enarsi in 2.5 months. So we will meet live, for around 70 to 80 hours. Within 70 to 80 hours, we will cover all topics of CCNP in Encore+Enarsi, which we have already shared with you. Now, next thing is fee. So guys, fee of this course is 20,000 or you can say $300 USD. If you are interested, you can visit to our website www.pmnetworking.in to enroll. After enrollment, we will get some basic information about yourself, like we will get your number, WhatsApp number and your mail ID. So we will contact to you, right? After that, we will continue the training. Now, next course is Python automation. So timing of Python automation is 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So for Python automation, we will meet live for 2 hours a day on every Saturday and Sunday for next 2.5 months. And within 2.5 months, we will cover again all topics of Python automation, which we have shared with you on my social media platform. Again, if you want to check, course contents, you can visit to my website. There you can check course contents as well. Now again, guys, what is the fee of this course? So fee is again 20,000 for Python automation and you can say $300 USD, right? So now hope it is clear to you, right? You have now basic information about our upcoming live batches. Now let's talk about the trainer. So guys, trainer is industry expert, still working in industry with CCI number, who is going to teach you to check the trainer teaching method. Visit to PM Networking YouTube channel. In the playlist section, you will find SD-WAN playlist. In the SD-WAN playlist, you will get, 2 videos on SD-WAN. You need to check the latest video, right? Which I think I have uploaded within a week, right? Just 6 days or 7 days back. So that's all guys. Thank you.